Hi, here is one interesting car. Well, I'm making these videos because many friends and family also and fellow collectors told me that I should make videos for history, for just to I'm not allowed to deny people from these beautiful cars that I have in collection, so I will try to make, as soon as I have time, I will try to make some videos about every car. I'm not a YouTuber, I don't do these videos for living or anything like that. It's just, you know, I'm a collector, I love these cars, and it's a hobby, nothing to make money from. So this is one very special car because it's really rare. They are made only 50 pieces of this. This is E280 AMG limited edition, specially made for Japan market. So AMG made E36 Cabrio, E36 Coupe, E36 station wagon, but they never make E36 sedan with steering wheel on the left side. They made 12 cars for UK market with steering wheel on the right hand side. It was right hand drive car. So this is normal with the steering wheel on the left side. But it is for Japanese market, because in Japan, as you know, people often drive left side cars with left hand steering wheel. So the thing with this car, although the engine is nothing special, it's normal 2.8 liter M104 with 200 horsepower. What is special with these cars? Well, it is completely AMG except the engine. So it's AMG body kit, AMG Aero II rims, AMG undercarriage. It is also lowered. As you see, this is a factory height. AMG exhaust system. It also has AMG speedometer, AMG speedo here. Also the special thing about the cars from Japan, these cars, it has AMG limited edition door sills. Also there is a plaque here which says that it's an AMG car, E280 sedan. And also characteristic for the car from Japan is this, but this is in the wood, not a sticker. So that's all. So that is characteristic for the Japanese car to have on ashtray like that. So this car is really well preserved. It's completely original first paint, no accidents. We found it in Japan, of course, got it on auction, and we brought it here so it can be part of our collection, because I have E36 Coupe, three cars, 3 pieces, one Cabrio, one station wagon, and this was what was missing to have the complete set, let's say like that. But then there is also one thing, there's another car that looks same like this, but it is E42. It's 2.4 liter, it's a 4.2 liter car. So we'll show that in another video. So I don't know what to say. I'm not a professional video maker. I'm not a YouTuber. I can just show you the car from more angles. I'm guessing you don't even like my voice and my bad English. So let me continue with the video for you guys to check it out. I'm gonna show you a few interesting things also, special for Japan market. As you can see, this space for the plate is smaller in Japan than in Europe. You can see we fitted this, but the hole is much smaller, so this piece is also bigger in EU cars and for EU market. You can see that this characteristic Yanase sticker Yanase was the AMG partner from Japan that that built this car. So if you go and check data card for this car, there is no 957 code AMG technical package. Everything that is in the car is like it's a normal E280, but Yanase then would get the parts from AMG. They were partners and they will build AMG car. Also you can see these stickers from AMG. This one we have new, we have to replace it because sun almost obviously burned it. I think that doors are tinted. I'm not sure if that is like factory made or aftermarket, not sure about that. And also one other thing characteristic for Japanese cars, they have this special rubber here, as you can see, like fender flares, but it's a rubber. I mean it looks okay, but if that is in the silver color, it will be much better. I don't know, it's weird. I mean, Japanese are weird, guys. So this is it. It's really beautiful. There is some things to be done on this car. We need to polish this. We need to fix this crack. There is few things, but the car is just really good condition. So the body is so straight, no waves, no nothing, and everything works perfectly. So it's really nice car.